Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to give unbiased review on the website that is fundomain.com. So if you are curious to know about this website, let's check out this video that will help you to decide either you should buy from the store or not. So let's check out the detail. Fundomain is an e-commerce platform dealing with different products. Categories are like for girls, boys. They are selling different accessory and they have some other products too. It is like a quite good collection of different products, and all these products have their aesthetic feeling which they show to let you experience. Let's check out the specification of the site. It is about 3-month old website, was created on 11th June 2021. HTTPS secure website. It falls under the category of fashion and aesthetic trending items. They have mentioned their email address, physical address. They are accepting different payment method. You can return the product within 14 days of your purchase. As far as return is concerned, first they will do a quality check and then provide the address by mail for refund approval. For delivery time, it took 11 to 27 for US, Canada, and Europe, and around the world, it took 23 to 47 days. For other regions, they are shipping around the world. You can enjoy free shipping over the order of $49.99. The negative point of the site are Alexa ranking of the site is very bad. Only few customer have given review on different review website. Customer have given their reviews seem suspicious and fake by their name. Not given an option of customer review on the site. Very new in e-commerce market. The positive point of the site are pros, like it is HTTPS secured website. Prices are good, balanced, not overly discount. Good choices have been given for a single product such as in size and same with colors combination. Payment options are quite reliable and user friendly. Is Fundomain legit? It is not easy to judge the legitimacy of the site by merely looking at its product by their apparent look or quality, and there are some relevant question also that when Amazon, like well established company, offers all kinds of product, why are these websites like Fundomain created? Although they have full right to open, suspicious points are always there in curious mind considering daily cybercrime. So let's check out the detail. It was created on 11th June 2021. As per our research, it has 0 ranking, no customer reviews are available, and it has a very bad Alexa rating. No address of the company is mentioned except just country name. Presence in 1 or 2 social media platforms, and 2 are not a formal one. As far as customer reviews are concerned, for any e-commerce website, customer review work to scale up its sell, which every well-established e-commerce platform uses extensively. But as far as Fundomain website is concerned, it has done nothing like that, which gives the customer a sense of suspicion. This could be always because it hasn't had any customer base or quality of service over the platform, and using the platform for fraudulent activity, which is not good on its part. So in conclusion, we can say that no doubt the website has a much aesthetic sense, giving products and multiple payment options are available, even though it lacks many checkpoints that a trustworthy website required. So we are not recommending you at all to buy anything from this store, but if you have any experience of shopping from fundomain.com, please share your views and experience in comment box. We love to hear from you.